Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Shopify Storefront API access token. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard and make sure you are logged in as the store owner or admin. Now enable app development. Click settings from the bottom left, then open apps and sales channel. Next, click develop apps, and if prompted, click allow custom app development. After that, click create an app. Then enter app name such as Storefront API app and select the app developer using your email, then click create app. Next, configure Storefront API access. Open the newly created app and queue the configuration. Now, scroll to the Storefront API and then click on configure. Now choose the permissions your storefront needs, such as unauthenticated _read products, unauthenticated read collection, unauthenticated read product listings, and unauthenticated read content. Select only what you actually need. After that, click on save. Now go to the API credentials tab, click install app, and then confirm the installation. Once the app is installed, scroll to the Storefront API access token. Then, click reveal token once, then copy and store it securely because you cannot view it again. Finally, use the token by sending it in request headers as x-shopify-storefront-access-token and use it with the Storefront GraphQL API. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.